Lagos, Lekki, axis to be precise. I'm doing it live to show you that life is good. You can be financially free if you can take our time to learn the skill to trade in the financial market. There are a lot of opportunities you can get, and also if you can after the marketing, you can make your life beautiful. All right. I just decided to go live here. I decided to go live here on YouTube, and I believe strongly there's more to life. There's more to life than just passing by. There's more to life. You can be free financially. You can be free and live your life the way God has destined it to be. I employ you this time to come connect with me. Click the link this video, and I will give life better for yourself. Thank you. I'll see you on the other side. Yeah. Wellness. We promote wellness, health, wow. Yeah, that was so nice. Yeah. Thanks for joining, guys. Thanks for joining. It's your boy once again, IMOH Friday. Yeah, live at Lekki First One. In the boat cruise, guys. In the boat cruise, with amazing individuals, with amazing people here, amazing ladies, amazing guys, people making money for themselves, people setting themselves free from salary. Yes, people that are actually free and they are happy with what they do. I'm happy with what I do, so therefore I'm connecting with people with that love what they do, and I want you to join me because I know you love what you do and you can also make it better. All right. Hey. Yeah, come on, come on. No, we are here to catch fun, bro. Yeah. Thank you for connecting. Can you leave me a comment? Who is on my who is connected here? Yes. Let me see who's live here with me. It's like this my second time of doing live, and I feel so excited connecting with you. Your lifetime, guys, in your life where you hang out with fellow minded people that have the same thinking mindset, people that are thinking financial freedom, people that yeah, science, yeah, thanks for connecting live. Thanks for connecting live. I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you connecting live with me here on YouTube. I'll do more of this video, guys. More of this video, guys. More of this video. No, it's the post that is funny. The wave. All right. Yeah, we lovely people here. Lovely people, all over the world, all over connected together. This is amazing, guys. It's amazing, so lovely, guys. Yeah, yeah. See you guys. Please, leave me a comment. Leave me a comment. I'll get in touch with you. I'm happy you guys join me on this live YouTube. I'll be doing more of this video toward the end of the year. I'll be doing more of this video YouTube live stream just for them, you guys, and so we can also go together in the next 6 months. Should be any six figure in whatever currency that you desire in your country. Yeah, six figure is possible, guys. Six figure is possible in your currency. Yeah, in your country, guys. Yeah, just making money passively online, guys. Very possible, guys. I'm loving this. I'm loving this all the way, guys. All the way.